Hey guys, Dale Malik here with Watch to Wear and Auto Lot Classics, one of the same. Guess what? 2022, it's Father's Day. Yep, it's the annual Stan Hywet Father's Day car show. And unlike last year where I filmed most of it, going to do very little talking, a lot of pictures in this video, and some videos of some awesome cars. So I'm walking to the event now. I'll catch up to you when I get in, and we'll go from there. So see you shortly.
gentlemen, it is just about 12 o'clock. After 12 o'clock, in fact. So it's time for dinner, for lunch. If you're hungry, we got some good food for you today.
Okay guys, so that was the 2022 Father's Day car show at Stan Hywet. Okay, personally, wasn't as good as last year. Last year's show was unbelievably awesome. A lot more cars, maybe just to my liking, but you can see from the photos, it was a sold out show too. Maybe that had something to do with COVID-19, or as my mother would say, COVID. Anyway, I'm not ripping on my mom, but it was a really neat show. It was kind of interesting. I was over at the Corvette area and some guy came up to me and he's like, "You're the guy on YouTube with the cars and watches." And I'm like, "Yeah." Really nice guy. We got to talking. Had a beautiful Longines vintage watch. Looked like from the 70s. It was a TV style. But anyway, so that was the show. Hope you enjoyed it because I kind of piped in a little bit and showed you the grounds, just because it's been a while since I've been to the grounds over here at Stan Hywet, and the grounds are spectacular, as you can see. Just absolutely beautiful, especially the Japanese garden. It's really peaceful. And the interesting thing about it is when you go in the back of that house, you can't even hear the crowd that was at the show. But anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.